Sage reporting for Kalkine Media. Thanks for joining us and please stay watching for the ASX mid-market report. Why are ASX shares slightly higher at noon? Australian markets lost gains last week and the index opened higher in the morning. However, the benchmark index ASX 200 cooled off after a strong start this morning and the index is tracking marginally higher at noon. The materials sector led the gains in the ASX 200 index, while the energy sector was also slightly higher. Besides, all other sector indices were tracking in red. Healthcare and utilities led the losses, followed by telecommunications, consumer discretionary, consumer staples and information technology. The big miners are also tracking higher today, including BHP Group, Fortescue Metals, Rio Tinto. Big four banks were lower at noon. The best performing stocks in the ASX 200 were Costa Group, Webjet Limited, Sandfire Resources, NIB Holdings and Corporate Travel Management. Most losses were seen in Reliance Worldwide, Ansell Limited, Chorus Limited, NRW Holdings and IRESS Limited. In market news, Costa Group today released full-year results. Its revenue was up 11.2% to $1.16 billion and statutory net profit was reported at $60.8 million. It has announced a fully franked dividend of 5 cents per share. Business fundamentals, including yields, quality and cost management, improved during the year. Westgold Resources reported half-year results. Revenue grew 32% to $301.8 million from $228.9 million and net cash from operations improved to $139.8 million compared to $54.4 million in the previous year. Profit after tax increased by 390% to $47.5 million. Macca Limited announced half-year results today. It has reported a 32% increase in revenue to $467.3 million from $353.3 million in the same period last year. Net profit after tax, continuing operations, improved by 7% to $19.4 million. It has declared a 2.5 cents per share dividend. Bank of Queensland has announced the acquisition of ME Bank. The bank will buy ME Bank for $1.325 billion and raise $1.35 billion in cash to fund the transaction. It expects an annualised pre-tax synergies of $70 to $80 billion. PSC Insurance Group has announced half-year results. The company stated that the underlying EBITDA increased 52% to $28.7 million, while underlying net profit after tax before amortisation increased to $17.1 million. It has declared a 4 cents per share dividend. Thank you for watching Sage reporting for Kalkine Media.